Hi guys and girls, this video is going to explain to you how to find the IQR using a line plot. What's nice about using a line plot is if you look at your data, it's already in order for you from least to greatest. So looking at this data here, I'm talking about household sizes and the number of people in each household. So if I start over with the 2, I have 3 households that only have 2 people living in them. So if I go to list my data in order from least to greatest, I can start with the 2 and I can write the 2 down 3 times because I have 3 houses that only have 2 people living in them. So I'm going to go ahead and tilt this a little bit so it's easier for me to write here. And I'm going to write down the 2, 1, 2, 3 times. Now, for the 3, I only have 1 household that has 3 people living in it, so I'm just going to write that down once. 4, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 houses that have 4 people living in them, so I need to write the 4 down 4 times. For the 5, I have 2 houses with 5 people living in them, so I need to write the 5 down twice. For the 6, I have 3 people that have 3 houses with 6 people living in them. So I need to write the 6 down 3 times. I don't have anybody with 7 people in their house, so I am not going to write a 7 down at all. For 8, I have 1 person with 8 people in their house. That's going to get a little crowded there. And then 1 person with 9 people in their house. So I'm going to write the 9 down once. Okay? So what's really nice about my line plot, if I go back and take a look here, all my data is already in order from least to greatest. My first step has already been completed for me looking at the data in the line plot. Now all I have left to do is go back and find my quartiles so that I can find my interquartile range. So I'm going to go through now and I'm going to count how many X's are in my line plot and how many pieces of data I wrote down just to double check and make sure that I have everything that I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's make sure I have 15 pieces of data down below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, always good to double check. All right, now I'm going to go and find my median, my Q2. And I know if I have 15 pieces of data, the midpoint would be the 8th one, and I should have 7 pieces on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm thinking it's right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. So this is going to be my Q2. Now I have 7 pieces of data on each side. So it looks like this should be my Q1. I'll have 3 pieces here and 3 pieces here. And this should be my Q3. So now to find my IQR, I'm going to take my Q3, which is 6, minus my Q1, which is 3, and that'll give me an IQR of 3. Okay, so there you have it. It is very simple to find your IQR with a line plot or a dot plot because our data is already in order for us from least to greatest.